We are the champions. Alright. We are the champions. What's this level? I don't know what's level. Mama, Mama. Doesn't great. Not that too much. Yes. Talaga. I am very smart. If
Dragged his wife out for a very important TikTok.
Nani?
All fight.
F you, F you, F you, F you, F you.
How do you say I could if I need?
Thank you. Wee.
What's up? Passing energy something and you complicate for me, okay? Twinkle a little star. Just put the number filter on your BF. Just put the no beard filter on your BF. Yellow. I just remember a dog across the street. I don't know if it's yours. Well, what did it like? Oh, but
Oh, this one is right.
this one. I thought this was. It's always the one that ruined the fun. The party is not complete without it.
Too hard. Daddy? Mommy?
In today's world, fast food needs to be faster than ever if you want to be ahead of the competition.
That's so what? so hard. Dibully kan? Wih. 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 Oh, wow, so easy. Look at my ass. Ay, double jump. No.
What's wrong with this? What's wrong? TV show. My POV. I think we all know what he was thinking about. Realization.
Ay, double jump. Pinka.
How was your day, Korea? Exactly.
Mama, Mom.
I hope this is real because I invested a lot of laughs into this.
Forcing our ex-boyfriends to
Ooh. Not you. What? I'm back. Mommy.
You're so good at